Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today, we are going to review unit number 1. So, open page number
Good afternoon, teacher.
34. Good afternoon.
Page one.
Page
Teacher,
24, 25.
teacher.
I'm fine. Page 24, 25. Hello, Yazan.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Page one. Teacher, please, page one.
انت شوف سكرين يا فهد كل يوم يعني every time you ask why do you ask Mr. Fahad?
Hello, teacher. Muhammad.
Hello, Mister.
Hello,
teacher.
Mr.
Teacher,
Yes.
أستاذ ما نراجع على الاختبار.
انتظار راجع الاختبار انتظار. Open page number 24.
متى نروح نصلي؟ مستر بيج
Yes.
وات.
هذا من يبغى page
السلام عليكم أستاذنا بدر الجاران.
Hello بدر.
أستاذنا واحد.
Page 24.
Yes, Nawa. If you can see the screen, the page is written here. If you see the screen, page number 24 and 25. If you
Okay,
can see
teacher.
the screen, please.
أستاذ أنت أمس أرسلت لنا اختبار واختبارك يوم الخميس.
اختبار يوم الخميس بعيد. اليوم ما في خميس.
بس يا أستاذ أنت أمس أرسلت لنا الاختبار.
Wait.
أيوة وحليناه.
Mr. Midas, please wait.
خلاص أقول.
Okay, so on page number 24, we have question number 1, which is about parts of or the names of bones that are found in our legs. So you can find the answer on page number 6. Open page number 6. Yes, Ziyad, you are Zaid Ayman. You are
Teacher,
raising your hand.
teacher.
Yes.
This is revision.
No, Mr. Rami. Have you done this?
Okay. أستاذ سويت صفحة 21 قبل ما أدخل لأني توني أدخل.
Please open page number 24 and 25. On page number 24, there is a question. Can you label the bones in the leg with the correct names? So it means you have to find the names. On page number 6, you will find the answers. Page number 6, please. If you open page number 6, you will find the answer for the first question, which is this: label the names of bones. Number 1, this is femur. If I help you, this is femur. Number 1. Number 2, patella. Number 2, yes, patella.
3 tibia, 4
Yes, number 3. Thank you, Omar. Number 3, tibia. Yes, very nice. Number 4, fibula. Fibula.
5 يا محمد.
Thank you, Hamid.
أستاذ باقي أنا
Okay.
ما خلصت ألف ثانية واحدة.
ما في كلام بس اكتب. Don't speak. Just write. Zaid, don't raise your hand, please.
Hello teacher, I'm so
Hello, Saud. Open your book, page number 24, 25.
Okay.
Okay, who will answer? Why have frogs developed long back legs? يعني رجل ورا حق الفروغ ليش كبير? Why they are long?
Because to jump.
Yes, to help it to jump so that it can jump. Okay, to help it, sorry, it to jump. What is to help it to jump?
أنا
Yes,
كريم.
yes, Kareem. Okay, to help it to jump. Nice. Okay, next we have. I can name some of the bones in the human skeleton. Can you name some?
Yes.
Yes, which one?
What?
Name some bones find in our skeleton. Here,
Teacher,
like
I am
femur,
Hamid.
patella, tibia, fibula. Okay. Anything, any bone else? Any
Teacher,
name?
Skull,
Salam
humerus, ribs,
Skull,
radius,
ribs.
ulna,
Yes.
pelvis.
Thank you, Umar. Skull, ribs. There are a lot. So you can name. So take this. Yes, we can. I know some differences between the skeletons of different animals.
Teacher, I can go to bathroom.
Yes, Mr. Midas, you can go. So there are different skeletons in different animals. You may find this answer on page number 8 and 9. There are some animals you identify their skeletons like elephant, tiger, and horse,
I
and
want to go to
bird.
bathroom.
So there are different animals with different skeletons. So this is also tick. Okay, next. Can you match each part of the skeleton with the organs that it protects? Skull protects what?
Brain.
Brain. Nice.
Brain.
Then rib cage protects
Heart and lungs.
heart and lung. Obviously, spine protects
Spinal cord.
spinal cord. The spine protects spinal cord. Nice. Okay, then we have, I know that the skeleton protects and supports the body. Is it true or no? You know that?
True, teacher. True.
Yes, because we know the skeleton protects and supports our.
True. أستاذ
Yes.
اللي تحتها برضه true.
Wait, يا أخي, wait. Let me just ask. Wait.
Teacher, I want to
Intazar.
read. I am Ayham.
Yes, I am. Read next one.
I know that some animals do not have skeleton. True. True, teacher. True.
Okay, thank you. I know that some animals do not have skeletons. They are called invertebrates. They are called invertebrates, not true or false. They are called invertebrates. Zayed Ahmed, why you raise your hand, please?
These are the ones without a spine.
Without
not a
spine, and they are called invertebrates. That's nice. In grade 3, we did. Okay, next
Teacher,
page,
what's
which is
age?
page number 25. Okay, page 25, muscles and skeletons. Why does our skeleton have muscles attached to the bone? Yes, who will tell me? Why do we have muscles? We have muscles too?
To move.
Yes.
Move,
Who is
move.
this? Who said this?
زيد
Yes, Zaid. Very good.
السفياني فهد
Thank you, Father Sufyani. So that it can move. So we can move. We have muscles to move. Okay. Okay. I know that muscles are
أستاذ
attached
دقيقة
to-
دوبني أنا
Yeah.
أدخل الحصة.
Because they are attached to bones. Here you can see muscles are attached to bones so that we can move. How muscles work together? When one muscle contracts, what happens to the opposite muscle? The opposite muscle. Yes, who will answer?
Teacher, muscles work in pairs.
The muscles work in pair, yes, but one muscle contracts, the other muscle relaxes. It relaxes. When one muscle contracts, here you can see the word which is opposite to the other word. Contract, the opposite is it relaxes. طيب, this is opposite. Contract, relaxes. Okay. When one muscle contracts, the other muscle relaxes. Here you can see our biceps, it contracts, so triceps, yani wara arm, that relaxes. Okay. So as you said, muscles work in pair. Yes, we know muscles work in pair. I know an example of pair of muscles that work together. Yes, we have shin and calf muscles in our legs, and we have biceps and triceps in our arms. We can name that. Okay, about medicine. Medicine yani ايش? Medicine yani?
أدوية.
Yes, علاج. علاج أو دواء أو أدوية, whatever. So before we take a medicine, what must we do? ايش نسوي أول؟
Drink water.
Drink water, okay.
دكتور.
روح دكتور أعطيك medicine. أول أكل إيش سوي؟ شوف يا أخي اسم. أوكي. شوف لو أنت افتح أي أدوية موجود. شوف دكتور كلام أول إيش؟ هذا أكل صباح، بعد الأكل، بعد الغداء، بعد العشاء، أو يعني after lunch, after dinner, before lunch, whatever. And when you open the medicine, there is a page inside. في صفحة، في ورقة موجود مكتوب كل شيء، يعني متى صح؟ And what is your age, how much you can take. So we should read the instructions carefully. Read the instructions carefully. Okay, this is what we have to do. Read the instructions carefully. Okay. Then last question. People with diabetes can use glucose to produce energy. What medicines do they need? If they have medicine, yani sukkar, they take insulin. They take insulin. Sorry. They take insulin. Okay. So this is
Teacher, wait.
insulin. Okay. I wrote it. Okay, there is a question. There is a statement. I know that. Please don't open your mics now. بس اكتب ما في افتح mic. I know that we can use medicines to make many common illness better. Yes. I know that taking too much medicines can make us ill. Yes. لو انت اكل كتير ادوية هذا يجي مشكلة. Okay. So this is what you have to do today and now. So after this, now let me write your names.
Teacher, wait.
Okay, I am waiting. I am just taking your attendance, please.
Teacher, I am finished.
Ziad, are you there, Ziad?
Teacher, I am Hamid. I am here.
يا أخي
Teacher.
لا تفتح mic, please.
Yes, teacher, I am
Don't open
here.
your mic. If I say your name, open your mic. Otherwise, no.
أستاذ أنا أول واحد خلصت.
أقول لك لا تفتح mic يا أخي.
Teacher, I am here. I am Ziad.
طيب يا زياد خلاص. Okay. عبد العزيز فهد الجيد, are you there? Kareem.
Yeah.
Ayham is there. Okay, I know. Badr is there. Fahad is there. Faisal Khalid. Faisal Khalid موجود?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Hussein.
teacher.
Hussein, are you there?
Yes, teacher, I am
Okay. Muhammad Hammam. Munabba Azhari.
I am here, teacher.
Okay, I got it.
I am here. I am here.
Okay, say your name.
Teacher, I am Hussein.
Hussein, I did it. Okay. Hussein, I got you. Munabba Azhari is there. Okay. Muhammad Hammam. موجود? Yes, okay. مؤيد ياسر. مؤيد ياسر. مؤيد موجود؟ نواف عبد الله السفياني. نواف العمري. راشد.
موجود.
اوكي راشد.
أستاذ موجود.
طيب good boy. ريان. ريان, are you there? سند. سعود. سعود is there. من موجود؟ سند. اوكي.
سوري تيتشر أنا موجود أستاذ معليش.
ريان.
بس كان
اوكي
نفس
no
معلم.
problem. يزن. يزن محمد. اوكي thank you يزن. يزن فهمت يا حبيبي؟
Yes.
اوكي فهد عمار السفياني.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. I am here.
اوكي فهد عبد الله السليم. فهد سليم العتيبي. عمر معتز. اوكي عمر معتز is there.
Finished.
اوكي فهد عبد الله سليم هذا ما في موجود. عبد العزيز فهد الجيد. مؤيد ياسر. نادر is there. اوكي طيب these are absentees. اوكي من باقي.
I am teacher Nader.
من باقي يا اخي. من باقي. Who didn't finish?
I am Hamid. Finish.
حامد اسمه سؤال اول. انا كلام من باقي.
ما خلصت. What?
I said who did not finish. من ما في خلص.
أستاذ. أنا أستاذ.
I'm finished.
إيش الواجب؟ صفحة كم الواجب؟
يا رامي ما في واجب. لو في واجب انا اعلمك يا حبيبي. I will tell you. ايش هذا يا اخي؟
أستاذ أنا خلصت بديني أطلع.
طيب رامي انتظار يا حبيبي. اليوم كلام زيادة يا رامي. ليش؟ واي؟
أنا خلص قبل.
Okay, this was review for unit number 1. You have exam on Wednesday, يعني بعد بكرة إن شاء الله. So we will do the exam إن شاء الله. Okay, بعد بكرة. طيب.
Okay.
خلصت ولا
أستاذ
باقي؟
رس-
من باقي؟
من 10 ولا 20؟
teacher finish.
I am finished. I am Hamid finish.
حامد والله
Hamid.
just wait a minute.
Teacher, I am finished.
Yes, finish. أستاذ اللي خلص يرفع يده.
Yes. What do you need, Hamid? So here we have something to explain you. Okay. So we have different kind of bonds. Okay, as I told you, we have different kinds of bonds.
أستاذ أنا ما خلصت.
Okay, أنا أرسل لك صورة بعدين. Okay, I will send you the video and picture as well. Okay, ما في مشكلة. طيب. So we have types of bonds. يعني different types of bonds we have. We have main 4 types of bonds. 4 أقسام. 4 main types of bonds. What are those? In human body, each type has different size, yani magas, and shape, yani shakal. Yani if you see here, this bone and this bone is same? No. These bones and these bones are same. Yes, they are long, so their shape is same. But about rib cage and this bone, they are not same. We can say that. So there are different size and different shapes in the, if we say there are,
أستاذ هذا صفحة كم؟
ما في صفحة يا ولد. Have different jobs to do, like what? If you want to eat, okay, akil, which bone you will use? Your hand?
Jaw muscles.
Jaw
muscles.
Jaw muscles and bones in your jaw. You will use your jaw bones and jaw muscles as well. If you want to walk, you will use your skull. No, you will use your feet and your legs, right? So it
Yes, teacher,
means
you
there
are right.
are, thank you. So it means there are different bones to do different jobs, okay? So here we have long tabular bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Irregular, yani maafi tartib. Irregular bones. So there are 4 main parts, as I told you here on the top. So what are long tabular bones? These are long, yani tawil, and affect our overall height. EG means, for example, if you see this anywhere, EG, it means for example. The legs and arms, femur and humerus is the name, are the names of the bones. These are long bones. Here you can see long, yani tawil, sah. These are long bones, and find in our arms and legs, names are femur and humerus. Okay, short bones. Short bones, these bones are smaller, yani saghir, and are often found with many others. Often found with many others. Yani hada mawjood ma'a tani. For example, the feet, yani your feet, okay, and hands, like your hands, you can feel in your fingers. These are short bones. These are short bones find in our feet and our hands. Right. Their name is phalanges. Okay. Then flat bones. Flat bones. These are flat flat यानी زي सतह सीधा, and often found forming a protective surface. Protective यानी हिफाजा, surface यानी सतह, protective surface. For example, the skull यानी cranium, اسمه هذا skull, skull اسمه ايش؟ cranium. And pelvis, pelvis is here in our hips. Okay, these are called pelvis and skull, which are flat bones. Next we have irregular bones. Irregular bones. What are irregular bones? Irregular bones are irregular यानी ما في ترتيب, in shape यानी शक्ल, and have a specific function. في specific function यानी we use them for specific function. For example, bones in our spine, vertebral column we call it. Specific function يعني لو انت يبغى اجلس او قوم او you want any sport, you use
أستاذ في واحد جديد اسمه
that is not the name. So you understand, we have four types of bones. Four types of bones in human body. Long tabular bones find in our arms, short bones find in our feet and hands, flat bones find in skull and pelvis, irregular bones are found in the spine. Any questions, boys? أي سوال?
No.
Now you
Teacher.
can open
No,
your
teacher.
camera if you want.
Teacher, can
Yes.
I ask?
Yes, you can ask.
ask?
Yes, what do you want to ask? Please. تفضل.
This will come teacher.
مع السلامة.
Teacher.
Yes, Ziad. Yes, Fahad.
Teacher. This will come in the quiz.
teacher.
Anything can come in the quiz. Okay, it will be easy, don't worry.
اوكي.
أستاذ
بطلع.
Goodbye. Thank
مع
you, Hamid.
السلامة.
Goodbye.
زياد. مع السلامة رامي. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة أستاذ.